guys, welcome to Surprise Toy Club. Today we have some Shopkins Season 2 baskets to open. We also have a Kinder Surprise chocolate egg, and then we have a giant Shopkins surprise egg to open. And do you know who that is on the front of the egg? That is Soda Pops, and she is actually from Season 1, and she is an ultra rare Shopkin, and I think she's really cute. She's one of my favourites. So let's open our shopping baskets first and see who we get. Okay, let's open our first basket. Inside each basket you get 2 surprise toys. And who do we get? Okay, we're going to need to look at our list. Oh, that's a cute one. Okay, looks like we got something from the bakery department, so let's have a look on our list. And yep, there she is, Carrie Carrot Cake. And she looks really cute, and she has a tiny carrot on top. Can you see that? Let's put her over here with the others, and we'll have a look in our next one. Okay, this looks like a kettle. I think it must be a kettle. Let's have a look. So that will be in homewares. Yep, Mar kettle. Okay, basket number 2. Oh, this one feels long and thin. Can't think what that would be. Oh, I'm still not sure what that is. Is that something from the, is that chocolate or something from the bakery department? Oh, okay, Cheery Churro. Oh, she's really sweet. She's in the sweet treats section. And she looks really cute. Okay, the second one from that basket. Ah, I've seen this one. This is Foil, and I can't think of his name. That's Owl Foil. And you can also get him in green and pink colouring, but we've got the purple and bluish colour. And I really like the foil hanging out the side here. Okay, basket number 3, and then we will do our Kinder Surprise egg. There we go. Okay. Right, first one. Okay, that looks like a baguette to me. Some sort of bread. What do you think? Let's have a look. So that would be in the bakery department, and that is, yep, Slick Breadstick. And then number 2, that is, oh, a pack of gum. A pack of chewing gum. What is its name? Let's have a look. Oh, this is called Yummy Gum. Yummy Gum. And it's got like a mint leaf here. Can you see that? A little mint leaf, and it says gum. You can see all the little sticks poking out. It's really sweet. Okay, that's all our Shopkins open. Let's do our Kinder Surprise egg. Look at that, Kinder Surprise chocolate is so good. If you haven't had it, you need to try it. It's really nice. Okay, what do we get? What do we get? Oh, nothing to put together. It is a car. There we go. It looks like a mini. It is a mini. And it's pale blue. And I think you can collect, looks like you can collect 4 different ones. Can you see those? Okay, we've opened all our Shopkins and our Kinder Surprise. So let's open this giant Play-Doh Shopkins egg. And there you can see soda pops on the front. A can of fizzy drink. And lots of little bubbles. And let's see what we have inside. Lots of things to open, and we've got another Shopkins basket, another Kinder Surprise, a Disney Wikkeez blind bag, and a couple of Littlest pet shop blind bags. So let's get this open and then we can have a look. Okay, let's start with one of the Littlest pet shop blind bags. And on the front you can see all the different ones there are to collect. And it says it includes a pet friend, an accessory and a deco bit. Okay, who did we get? Let's have a look. Okay. Oh, she's cute. And something tiny, which looks like a... I know what she is. I know what this is. Okay, that is a Chinese takeaway carton that you would have Chinese food in. And this looks like a little fortune cookie. Does she hold the fortune? Yep, that you can clip the fortune cookie in the front, I think. And then she sits in the box. That's really cute. And there she is on the packet, look, the one at the top there. She is number 3724. Okay, let's open the next one as well. So she has a little friend. Oh good, we've got a different one. This one looks like some sort of cupcake. So I think she sits in the cupcake base. Oops. Ah, okay, and look, this is the icing on the cake, and it clips into her head like that. Maybe that way around, not sure. Ah, so look, she looks like she's decorated like a little cupcake. Oh, she doesn't want to stay in. She doesn't clip in there, she just sits in there. And she looks like a tiny little cupcake. And she is number 3723. She is really sweet. Okay, let's open our second Kinder Surprise egg. Maybe we'll get something to put together this time. I like those ones. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, we did. Something in a little packet here. Oh, kind of. Oh, no, we didn't. Look, this looks like two ducklings to me. Let's get them out. Oh, and they're sort of fuzzy. They feel really fuzzy. Can you see that? Oh, they're really sweet. And they've got their eyes closed. It's a really weird texture. Let's have a look. What does it say about them? Okay, can you see on there that they're hugging? You can get all these other animals. You can get squirrels, They look like foxes, bears, so they're all woodland animals. And they're called natoons. Natoons? Oh look, you can make them hug. They're really sweet. Let's have a look. There we go. Oh, I think that might be one of my favourite things that I've ever got from a Kinder Egg. They're really cute. They're a bit unusual. They're really sweet. Okay. Next we have Series 1 Disney Wikkeez. Have you seen these? You can get all these characters from Disney movies. There's Captain Jack Sparrow, there's Minnie Mouse, one of the aliens from Toy Story, and apparently there are over 50 to collect. That is a lot. Oh look, there's Wally. There's all sorts. There's Kermit the Frog. Right, let's see who we get. Feels like there's a collector card in there as well, so be careful not to cut through it. Ah, look, there we go. Whoa, oh, you get 2. Okay, so there's our card, and we've got Mike Wazowski on the card from Monsters Inc. I like Mike Wazowski. He's really funny. Is that a sticker? Yep, that's a sticker actually, not a card. That's cool. Okay, so we got Blackbeard, and he's from Pirates of the Caribbean, and he's kind of scary looking, don't you think? He's got a skull and he's got a really long beard. Really long black beard, which is why they call him Blackbeard. And he is a cool little figure. And then we got Pascal, and he is Rapunzel's chameleon friend. And he is really cute. And he looks like he's up to mischief, looking at the expression on his face. Okay, last thing we have to open is one more Shopkins basket. I think these might be my favourite. Whoa! I think these might be my favourite things to open at the moment. Okay, let's see who we get inside. Okay, there's our shopping list. Oh, this looks like something like a bottle of detergent or washing powder. Let's have a look. And we got Wendy washer. There we go, there's Wendy. So we got Wendy, and she is actually a rare. She's a rare Shopkin. That's cool. Last thing to open. Oh, it's a shoe. I haven't had a shoe before. Okay, so here's what we got, and it's called Sneaky Wedge. And that is a common. And it's got a tiny tongue poking out. Can you see that? It's really sweet. Okay guys, here's a closer look at everything we opened today, including our 3 rare Shopkins. So let me know what your favourite toy was today, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up by clicking the like button, and if you want to see more from Surprise Toy Club, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, bye!